Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What do we have here? Okay, so we have a Lockwood 530 on a metal frame, and it looks like it's seen better days. These latches are really slow and sluggy. This one's not too bad. That's the cage inside. It's got like a roll cage so people can't kind of force it around. You can see the damage it's had. It's had better days. We'll take that one out, take that one out. And let's drill this latch out. Yeah, that looks good. Let's get this out. So that's the roll cage there, and you can see it's been abused. Lockwood 60mm sort of tie bolt latch. Not my favourite because they are sluggy. Always sluggy. So we're going to use a bayonet fitting one. Just checking we're good there. Clean out our holes. Good. Lucky pot rivet number 1 and lucky pot rivet number 2. Pot rivet gun. It's in there. All right. Beautiful. Tip of the pot that's sticking out there. No sharp edges. Good. Beautiful. Okay. So it's swapping out a Lockwood 530 to a 3062, which is available on our website. These locks are better. They've got the lever handle because this would be a fire exit. The sign's up there. So before it had a knob, which makes it hard for some elderly people and some people with disabilities. Levers are the way to go. They're easier. You just grab it, one finger, it activates. The door closes on it as well, which is good because people never want to close doors. So that's about as quiet as it can be. You can upgrade the door closer to be even bigger and badder, which will make it more reliable, a lot more expensive, but this one's been here for years and it's still working. So we're just doing the lock today, and the lock is done. These are available from our website, and this one here we've set to the tel key and the E key because somewhere down here there'll be meter access. There we are there, and the meter guy will need to get in there. So he's got his master key to come through here, and then he can get into there, and everybody's happy. All right, thanks for watching.